Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can uninstall WordPress from your Xampp localhost. So let's get right into it. Now, since Xampp is an app used to run servers on your local host or on your own IP address, pretty much just to test things out on your local IP address instead of on the internet, pretty much you don't need to uninstall anything if you just want to run it from your own website on the internet. However, if you're having problems and you want to test something else out, you can delete it yourself if you want to, and that will have no repercussions on your website on the WordPress site. Now, you can do this very easily. You just need to delete one file. As far as I'm aware, you could delete the entire Xampp application and download it again, which shouldn't take a lot of time, and that will pretty much provide you with a clean install. As far as I'm aware, it doesn't leave behind any files, so you can just do that, or alternatively, I'll show you guys through the Xampp file what it looks like. Now, this is what the Xampp file looks like when you download it. It is currently very bare bones. However, if you've installed WordPress, here you will see along the top you will see an apps folder which you want to enter, and you'll find WordPress over there. And once you enter that, you'll have an uninstalled exe which you just need to run, and that should uninstall your WordPress. However, alternatively, I'm pretty sure you can just delete that entire file anyway, and that would pretty much give you the same result. However, I'm not 100% sure, so I would recommend using the built-in uninstaller on the app. Again, I'm sorry that I can't show you since I didn't install it, and I'm having some trouble in actually doing that. But yeah, that is pretty much all you need to do. You just need to go into apps, go into WordPress, and then just click on uninstall, and that should be pretty much it. And that's all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.